So ito siya guys, after yesterday's incident, we'll try to do the cold start. This is early in the morning. High rev, it's normal.
Yeah. It's so loud.
Mm.
Because of the...
Let's open the hood.
Okay. Let's open the hood. Let's open the hood. How do you get so strong? Right there. This.
Oh, I think we need to add coolant here
What is
because it's already in the minimum. Yeah, it's the minimum. Let's try to put more. Mag-top up tayo guys. So testing, standby lang siya for maybe a few minutes and we'll see what will happen. Naka-on yung aircon and i-close natin to para realistic yung test natin, para mag-init talaga yung engine. Dito lang ako sa bahay kasi just in case, at least safe ako. Andito lang sa garage. So wait tayo ng ilang minutes guys. So i-rev natin siya paminsan-minsan. So wait natin mamaya. And yung aircon i-full natin. Yun. So far malamig naman siya. Gumagana yung AC talaga. Kasi kahapon parang nawawala yung lamig niya, tapos bumabalik naman. So hopefully nothing serious. Kahit nga dito sa likod ang lamig.
There.
Hey!
Why are you in the back? Then gonna go in the front. Why are you in the back?
Because I was testing the car.
And
Why you put it to 5?
Huh? Because it's so cold.
Oh. You step on the pedal.
No!
Why not?
It's gonna drive so fast. We're gonna crash.
Is it cold there?
No, because it's 5.
Mm,
And is it cold there?
yeah, still, it's still cold. Okay, it's more than 15 minutes kasi kanina pa to. And it's starting to fog there and dito. So malamig talaga yung AC kasi naka 10, naka 6.
6, 7.
So far 16 minutes. Hindi siya nag-overheat. Hopefully okay lang siya. I-rev natin guys. Yes. Wala talaga. Smells bad. You close it. Yeah.
Smells bad in here.
You slow down the aircon. And then let's try the heater.
No, no, no.
Is it hot? The hot, oh. See? Is it hot? Is it hot? It's okay na, it's okay na. You're putting it back to cold. Na enough na. Let's turn off the car na lang. So far, so good man ang car. Alright?
Yeah.
Thank God. Alright.
Hey, look, it's
Yan guys, yung update is okay siya. I'll try later na patakbuhin siya para naman ma-test talaga. Kasi iba talaga yung pag naka-rolling yung car, yung actual talaga. So, update you later. God bless, stay safe, drive safe.